Week 3 lesson plan, grammar, understanding the articles a, an, and the with a video micro lesson. Okay, so good morning class. I have a very exciting grammar lesson for you. We are going to first review a few things and then I'm going to tell you what we're going to learn. So please raise your hands if you know your vowels. Raise your hands. Terrific. Oh my gosh, all of you. All right. Let's say it out loud just so we know.
A-E-I-O-U.
Wonderful, wonderful.
A-E-I-O-U.
Terrific. Okay, so now if you don't have a vowel, what's the other sound? Those are called consonants. So from A to Z, everything that is not A, E, I, O, U, the vowels, are called consonants. Consonants. Okay, so today we're going to be learning about articles. Articles are 3 words: a, an, and the. Now, by themselves, they don't mean much. They don't really mean anything. But when you put them next to a noun, they mean a lot, and it makes your sentence nice and strong. So this is very important that you learn this. So I want you to get your thinking caps on. I want you to pay attention. Put your phones away, please. Come on, you don't need your phone now. And I want you to pay attention to the rules because each one of these articles has a rule to go with it. So a noun, anybody know what a noun is? Okay, yes, it's the person, place, or thing. So a person, give me an example. A person, a boy, very good, very good. A place, give me a place. The beach, okay, beach. And give me a thing. Water bottle, perfect, perfect. Okay, so those are nouns. So now, this is how it's going to relate to the rules with your articles. All right, hold on one second. All right, so if I say a cow, does that mean that you know the cow? No, that doesn't mean that you know the cow. That's a general, a cow. It's not the cow, it's a cow. So it's a general, it's indefinite, or non-specific. It's not a specific cow, it's not George the cow, it's just a cow. Okay, so that's an example of an indefinite. Now a specific would be the house. The house. Why is that specific and why is it definite? It's specific because it's, when you say the house, it seems like you're talking about a house that you know about. So it's the house. If it was a house, it would be non-specific. All right, does everybody understand that? Do you want any more examples? Do you think you understand that? All right, let's go on, and then if you need more examples later, we can go over it again. All right. So, well, you know what? Actually, I do have another example to tell you. All right, example is, the cat that scratched me ran up the tree. The cat that scratched me ran up the tree. You knew that cat because that cat scratched you. So that is a definitive. It's used before a noun that is either singular or plural. So if a noun is plural, what does it have? That's right. It has an S or it has an ED after it. Correct. It's familiar. You're familiar with that cat. Okay, now, another example. A cat went into the tree. Now that is not specific, right? So that's indefinite. The identity of the cat, which is the noun, is not known. It's not known. It's unknown. So that is only with singular nouns. So let's write that down, okay? Indefinite is with singular nouns. You can please take notes on this so you'll have it, because you are going to have a test on it. And definitive is with singular and plural nouns. Okay, that's both. So mark that down. Okay, great. Now, we're going to talk about the rule for A. That's this one. All right? A. The rule for A is based on the first letter of the noun. So first letter of the noun has to be a consonant, okay? It has to be a consonant. So I'm going to write it here. Consonant. And look, Miss Debbie wrote this wrong. It's a consonant, okay? The first letter of the noun has to be a consonant. Now, an is the first letter of the word of the noun has to be a vowel. Okay? So you have A, a consonant, and B, you have a vowel. So this one, an example would be a boy. And this would be an egg. Right? Egg is E, is a vowel. B is a consonant. Now, going on to our last article. All right, this is, okay, this is referring to comparing something that is the highest or greatest of something, okay? The highest or greatest, or mountains, or rivers. So, you would say, I'm sorry, this is kind of messy, or rivers. Okay, this is water, these are mountains. So, you would say the Himalaya, which is a mountain, the Himalaya. Or you would say the Dead Sea. Okay, because those are water. This is water, this is mountains. Or you could even say the bravest man, because that's the highest or greatest. The bravest man. Now, man is the noun, but bravest is the superlative adjective. And we're going to talk a little bit more about that as we go on. Now, what I want to do is I want to open up a book. It's called Hans Christian Andersen. I'm going to just read you a passage. And when I read this passage to you, I would like you all to write down on the paper every time you hear the articles, either an A, an, or a the. And then what we're going to do is we're going to total it up, because I want you to see how often these words are used, because you're going to be very surprised. Then we're going to go on with our lesson, and for review, I have some reviews for you. You can go on Quizlet, and I made cards for you, and if you flip them over online, you will see the correct article that matches the word.